Hello everybody, or welcome to this channel once again. In this video we have this equation over here and want to find the value of x that can satisfy this equation. So let's start. Now we are going to send this term to the right hand side. So let's do that. So we are going to have square root of x plus 4 at the left hand side to be equal to 4 minus the square root of x minus 4. So over here, we want to get rid of this square root. So what we are going to do is to square both sides. So squaring both sides, you are going to have the square root of x plus 4 all squared is equal to, then we square this side, square root of x minus 4 all squared. So over here, the squared over here will take up the square root. So you are going to be left with x plus 4 is equal to, and now when we have a minus b squared, this can be expressed as a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So when you compare this with this one, you can realize that 4 over here becomes the a, and then this term also becomes b. So that means we are going to have a squared. So we have 4 squared minus, then we have 2 times ab. So a over here is 4 times, and then we have b to be the square root of x minus 4, and then we have plus b squared. So you're going to have plus, and then b is this term, so you're going to have the square root of x minus 4 all squared. So you're going to have x plus 4 to be equal to, now 4 squared gives 16 minus 2 times 4 is 8. So you're going to have 8 times the square root of x minus 4 plus, and then the square over here will take up the square root. So you are going to have x minus 4. Now plus x will take care of plus x. And then let's group like terms. Let's send all those terms involving x to the one side, and then those without x also to one side. So let's transpose this term to the left hand side. So you are going to have 8 times the square root of x minus 4 is equal to, then we have 16 minus 4, which we are going to get 12. So 12, and then here we have positive 4. So when we move it to the right hand side, you're going to have minus 4. Now you're going to have 8 times the square root of x minus 4 is equal to 12 minus 4 gives 8. So over here we are going to divide both sides by 8, both sides by 8. So you're now going to have the square root of x minus 4 is equal to 1. And then we want to make x the subject. So to be able to get rid of this square root, we need to square both sides. So squaring both sides, we are going to have x minus 4 to be equal to 1 squared, which we are going to have x minus 4 to be equal to 1. Then x will be equal to 1 plus 4. We are going to have x to be equal to 5. Now let's check and see if our answer for x is correct. So let me clean this side. Now we have the square root of x minus 4, and we had x to be 5, so we're going to have the square root of 5 minus 4, which we are going to have the square root of 1, which is going to give us 1. Now here we have the square root of x plus 4, and we know x to be 5, so we're going to have 5 plus 4, which we are going to have the square root of 9, and the square root of 9 gives 3. So over here I'm going to have 3 plus 1, which is going to give us 4. And 4 is equal to 4. That means our value for x is correct. So x is equal to 5 is our answer for this equation. Thank you for watching.